Hey everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to write a My Daily Life essay. Now, this is a very common topic in school assignments, especially for high school and college students. While it might seem simple at first, writing an engaging and well-structured essay about your daily life requires a bit of thought. You don't just want to list what you do from morning to night. You want to make it interesting, clear, and personal. Your routine reflects who you are, your responsibilities, and what's important to you. So, in this video, I'll take you through a well-written example of a My Daily Life essay, breaking it down step by step so you know exactly what to write and why it matters. Let's get started. Step 1. The introduction, setting the scene. Every good essay starts with an introduction. This is where you give a brief overview of your daily routine and explain why it's important to you. Here's an example. Every day in my life follows a well-planned routine that helps me stay organized, productive, and balanced. As a high school senior living in Chicago, Illinois, I juggle academics, extracurricular activities, and personal time while striving to make the most of each day. Now, let's break this down. The first sentence gives a general statement about the writer's daily life. Using words like organized, productive, and balanced helps to show that the routine has a purpose. The second sentence adds specific details. The writer is a high school senior living in Chicago. Mentioning your location and student status makes the essay more personal. The last part introduces the main theme: balancing school, extracurricular activities, and personal time. This tells the reader what to expect in the rest of the essay. Your introduction should be short but meaningful. It should grab the reader's attention and set the tone for the essay. Step 2. The morning routine, how the day begins. After the introduction, we move into the body paragraphs, starting with the morning routine. Here's how it's written. My day begins at 6:30 a.m. when I wake up, freshen up, and get ready for school. I eat a healthy breakfast, usually consisting of eggs, toast, and orange juice, before heading out to catch the school bus. School starts at 8 a.m., and I spend most of my morning attending English, math, and science classes. My favorite subject is computer science, as I enjoy coding and problem solving. This paragraph does a great job of making the morning routine detailed and interesting. The time 6:30 a.m. adds structure to the routine. You should include specific times in your essay to make it feel more real. Mentioning breakfast details makes it more personal. Instead of just saying I eat breakfast, the writer describes what they eat. The paragraph also covers school subjects, and the writer shares their favorite one, computer science, explaining why they enjoy it. When you write about your morning routine, don't just list what you do. Add small details to make it engaging. Step 3. The school day, a busy but productive time. The next part of the essay covers the school day and lunch break. During lunch break at 12:30 p.m., I sit with my friends and catch up on our day while enjoying a meal from the school cafeteria. In the afternoon, I attend more classes, including history and physical education, before school ends at 3:30 p.m. After school, I participate in debate club and coding club, where I engage in discussions and work on programming projects. This paragraph is effective because it gives a specific time for lunch, making the routine feel realistic. It describes a social aspect, spending time with friends. Including personal touches like this helps make your writing more relatable. It talks about after-school activities, showing how the writer balances academics and extracurriculars. When you write about your school day, make sure to mention your favorite subjects, your friends, and any clubs or activities you participate in. Step 4. The evening routine, time for relaxation and homework. After school, the writer describes how they wind down and study. Once I return home at 5 p.m., I take some time to relax by watching TV or listening to music. By 6 p.m., I start working on my homework and studying for upcoming tests. I believe that staying consistent with my studies helps me perform well in school. This paragraph is well structured because it shows a balance between relaxation and responsibility. It explains why studying is important instead of just saying, I do my homework. It includes specific times, making the routine more structured. When writing about your evening, don't forget to mention how you unwind and take care of responsibilities. Step 5. Family time and night routine. Ending the day. Dinner is usually served at 7:30 p.m., and I enjoy spending this time with my family. We discuss our day, share stories, and bond over a homemade meal prepared by my parents. After dinner, I either read a book, scroll through social media, or chat with friends online. This part is important because it highlights family bonding, showing that daily life isn't just about work and school. Different ways to relax: reading, social media, and chatting with friends. If you spend time with family or have personal hobbies at night, mention them in your essay. Step 6. The conclusion, wrapping it up. Finally, the essay ends with a strong conclusion. Before going to bed at 10:30 p.m., I plan my schedule for the next day and set my alarm. I take a few moments to reflect on my day and think about how I can improve myself. Though my daily routine may seem repetitive, I appreciate the structure it provides. It allows me to stay disciplined, manage my time wisely, and find balance between academics, hobbies, and relaxation. Every day is an opportunity to learn, grow, and prepare for the future, and I strive to make each day meaningful. This is a great way to end because it shows self-reflection, thinking about how to improve. It explains the value of a routine. It leaves the reader with a positive, forward-looking message. Your conclusion should sum up the key points of your routine and reflect on why it matters. And that's how you write a My Daily Life essay. Writing about your daily routine doesn't have to be boring. Add details, personal touches, and structure to make it interesting. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts. See you in the next video. Happy writing!